And the race is on. The Sergeant Galo de Arlo kay Maki, Late Bloomer, Louis Star alongside Douglas Wright and Flying Hope. Galo de Arlo, Waihalang Kanaha, followed by the Sergeant Louis Star, is racing from the outside. Kay Maki is running down on the inside. Late Bloomer passing the half-mile post. Galo de Arlo from the outside is Louis Star, making room down on the inside. Late Bloomer together with Kay Maki and the Sergeant. Rounding the far turn, Galo de Arlo by 3/4 of a length. Louis Star, Kay Maki racing on the outside. Late Bloomer as they swing for home. Galo de Arlo, Louis Star, Kay Maki in the middle. Late Bloomer down on the inside. Galo de Arlo, Louis Star is on the outside. Kay Maki, Late Bloomer, but still Galo de Arlo, Louis Star on the outside. Galo de Arlo, and finally Galo de Arlo, Louis Star close for third among number 4 Kay Maki, number 6 the Sergeant, and Late Bloomer.